project. He got it for around 700 bucks. The guy crashed it, so he put a new headlight in it. It's brand new. So we ordered the other one so it could be matching, but it's taking long to get here. And he just crashed it. He said a deer ran into him, but I think it was not a deer. The crash went all the way back here, so we need a new bed. We already bought the doors. And yeah, the plan on this truck is to lift it on some big ass wheels. I told him he should drop it, but he doesn't really like drop trucks. And right now I'm about to take off these door panels so we could get the new ones in. And so far what he's done to it, he put a sound system. It bumps pretty hard. Here's a clip. Here's my piece of shit. I saw the fender. It was crashed from an angle. Need a new hood. My brackets for the bumper, they fucked up on the crash. And the bracket bent in, but I already pulled it out for the grill. And then the lights inside, they broke, so I'm gonna get new headlights. Stay tuned. It's gonna look way better when it's done. Let's just say that. Getting started on the 1999, painting it. Sanding it down. It's gonna be a long day. What are you doing, Daniel?
No.
Go explain. We're doing his tubs. Why are you camera shy, bro? Got it all sanded down.